Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now, and as you can see that USD CAD was in beautiful uptrend, sweet, beautiful chart, trending chart I would say, respecting a trend line as a support. But right now you can see that market has broke the support and trading below the trend line. So this trend line is no longer a valid support for the market. So we do not need to focus on this particular portion because this trend line is no longer valid, or at least not valid right now. Okay, if tomorrow, sorry, if on Monday or Tuesday, if market again regains its position above the trend line, that's a different chapter. But right now we can see that market is trading below the trend line, and therefore this trend line is no longer required, at least for Monday. And as we all know that it has a direct correlation relation with the DXY chart or the US dollar chart. And on Friday, after the NFP report, when dollar started seeing selling pressure, okay, USD CAD also witnessed the same, because whenever US dollar goes up, USD goes up, USD CAD also goes up, and whenever US dollar goes down, USD CAD also goes down. And after the NFP report, when the report failed to meet the forecast, dollar also witnessed some heavy selling pressure from above. You can see that right now this is the chart of DXY, and the US dollar is bearish right now. It is under the heavy influence or dominance of sellers. But what do we need to focus here is that after this huge selling pressure, right now market US dollar is standing at a support here. And so there is a good possibility that on Monday market may try to go up a little. Okay, market may try to go up a little. That will not be a trend reversal, but there is a possibility the market will try to recover. Okay, and again market has a resistance in the form of this trend line. So after hitting the trend line, there is a good possibility market will be going down again. But what I'm saying is that on Monday there is a possibility that US dollar will be going up. So if US dollar starts going up, then definitely USD CAD will also be going up. And the other factor that has a direct impact on the chart of USD CAD is the oil. Crude oil has also direct impact on the chart of USD CAD. And this is the chart of US oil, crude oil. You can see that it is also standing at resistance, but we also have a support. Therefore the chart of crude oil does not give us a clear picture. Just keep in mind, okay, whenever crude oil goes up, Canadian dollar goes up, because crude oil is a huge part of Canadian economy. So therefore it has a direct impact on Canadian dollar. So if, okay, listen to me carefully now, because things may be a little complicated. So whenever crude oil goes up, whenever the price of crude oil goes up, then Canadian dollar goes up or USD CAD goes down. And if the price of crude oil goes down, then US dollar, Canadian dollar goes up. Okay, just write it down on your notepad, because this thing will be very much essential in the future. Good. So leave everything. Okay, what I'm saying is that on Monday there is a possibility that market will be going up from here. And right now market is trading here. Do not short the market right now. Okay, do not short the market right now, because if you short the market here, then your stop loss will be above this level, and your stop loss is quite big, so your risk to reward ratio does not match. And as I always say, never chase the market. Do not chase the market, let the price come to you. So apart from this trend line, the only important level on the chart of USD CAD is 1.2610. This is the only important level right now on the chart of USD CAD, and this is the resistance for the market. This blue line, okay, this blue line is a resistance for the market, because this blue line belongs to the weekly chart. Here is the weekly chart, and you can see that market is facing some trouble, crossing the resistance. Therefore, there is a possibility that this line will be still acting as a resistance for the market, because we have seen that previously also in the month of May, in the month of March, April, this was the level that acted as a resistance. So definitely this is a valid resistance for the market. Okay, and we can hope that whenever market US dollar Canadian dollar will be going up, it will be facing resistance again. So the only trading opportunity or safe trading opportunity for you is short term market at this level at 1.2610. Dollar, there is a possibility that dollar will try to recover. So if dollar tries to recover, then definitely USD CAD will also be going up. And when dollar will be going down again, because it has a resistance at the in the form of trend line, okay, then definitely USD CAD will also be going down from here, because it has a strong resistance at 1.2610. Clear? So the only trading opportunity or safe trading opportunity on the chart of USD CAD is 1.2610. Okay. So if market reverses from this particular level, short the market, don't do anything. And if there is a sudden heavy selling pressure on the chart of USD CAD, I'll be covering that part on Monday, because you will see me on Monday again. So this is it. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday again.